nuts with season and spices. The taste tuna eyeballs have a delicious taste. How to eat tuna eyeballs are usual served as plain food. The nutrition: tuna eyeballs are rich in protein, vitamin, and mineral. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, overall it's good, but you don't have to say the ingredient, the taste. Just don't say it. You can go straight forward to your point. Like the ingredients of it is okra and okay, you don't have to say the ingredient. Just say it makes of cooked bed and seasoning. Yeah, yeah. Just like it made of blah blah blah. Don't say the ingredient is too kaku. Yeah, you can say that. Okay, for the boys, you can take me on the downstairs.